Habari Gani. The word of today is Ujima, which means collective work and responsibility. As always, we're going to start by pouring our tambiku, our offering tambiku, which is libations. We're going to pour water into our kikombe cha umoja, our unity cup. We're going to pour libations. So today, I'll make libations to all of the civil rights and black nationalist leaders that we lost, the Huey P. Newtons and Malcolm X's of the world. I want to pour libations to them because no matter what adversities they faced during their times of challenge, they worked and continued to do the work in the community to keep us together and to keep our heads up. And without them, a lot of what we're experiencing today will be a lot more difficult than it actually is. So I want to pay homage to them and pour libations to them. Shay. All right, we'll do our candle lighting. So normally when you light candles, you can do this. Some people like to alternate. What I prefer to do is you light the candles in order, and then you light the black one yesterday. So Unity, Umoja was the black candle. Kuji Chagalia, we started with the red candle here. And then today we'll go to Ujima, which is collective work and responsibility. And then that'll be the second red candle from the right. All right. So for the lecture for collective work and responsibility, again, back to those civil rights leaders, they worked together. Even though they had disagreements, some may not have agreed with how the work was to be done, but they all agreed that something had to be done and that the community was the beneficiary of all of their collective work. And so they started hitting the civil rights and all the discrimination and segregation from all different angles. And today we're able to go and get a public education. Despite how some of us may feel about the quality of that education, we still have access to it. We also have opportunities to go and get jobs. We have opportunities to go to college, whereas during the times of those particular elders, we had to ultimately go and build our own from nothing. We had no resources. And at a bare minimum, whether we agree or disagree with the quality of the outcomes, we can say that we have access to far more resources that if we wanted to go and build our own, we can go and access the resources to do so. So because of their collective work and responsibility to us, the future, their children, their grandchildren, we can say that we have better lives than the past generations. So we'll light the unity candle, Umoja. We'll light the self-determination candle, Kuji Chagalia. And then we'll light today's candle, which is Ujima, collective work and responsibility. All right. Habari Gani, Ujima, and I'll see you tomorrow.